Apple officially unveiled the MacBook Air 2018 on Tuesday, October 30, and benchmark results have emerged on the internet that show a marked improvement over the MacBook Air of 2017. Geekbench's results, which are a benchmark used by many people to test the processing power of computers, show that the new MacBook Air 2018 with Retina display has an Intel Core i5 8-core processor with 8.248 points in the single-core test, and 7.828 in the test multiple cores. It's about 27% and 28% faster than the single-core and multi-core ratings of the MacBook Air 2017, respectively. This means that you will surely get better performance from the new MacBook Air compared to last year's model. The MacBook Air 2018 is 20% more powerful than the 12-inch MacBook in single-core Geekbench tests and 17% faster in multi-core ratings. However, the MacBook Pro 2017 is around $100 £80, $140 more expensive than the MacBook Air 2018, which makes the newer Mac a much more attractive purchase. However, in front of the new MacBook Pro 2018, the MacBook Air 2018 has no chance, since multi-core scores are almost double in favor of the Pro. This should not be too surprising considering the more expensive nature of the MacBook Pro, which is more oriented to cases of professional use.